Okay, these are the plugins that we're going to be using today. So I'm going to be using Mailchimp for WordPress, and I'm going to put links to these on this post as well. Poodle Page Builder, and this one here, Site Origin CSS. So Mailchimp for WordPress lets you configure your forms. This lets you create your landing pages, and this just helps us tweak our button to increase the size of it. So the first thing you're going to do is set up Mailchimp for WordPress, just to make sure that that's linked into your Mailchimp account. It's pretty straightforward. All you have to do is go into settings in Mailchimp for WP, and you need to put your API key in this field here. Now, to get your API key, you do that in your Mailchimp dashboard. So here we are at Mailchimp in my test Mailchimp account, and then you get your API key by going to your account. And then if you look under extras here, you'll see API keys. And here we go. I've got a few test ones set up here. And you can either create new ones, so you can create a new key here, or if you've got existing ones, you just copy that and go back to your Mailchimp API settings and just paste that in there and save changes. And that will then link your Mailchimp account to your website. So the next thing you're going to want to do then in Mailchimp for WP is create your form. Again, this is very straightforward. You'll have one to start with. This is where you can edit one, and the default one that you get is probably the one that you might want to use. So you can do other things in here. So you can change the placeholder names here, which I've done, and there was some pre-text as well, which I've got rid of here as well. So this is where you can customize it. You've got it's pretty intuitive, this plugin. You can change things like the messages that users get when they subscribe. This is the important bit. This is where you set where this form is linking to. So if you've got multiple lists in your account in Mailchimp, you can actually specify the list that the form gets submitted to when the user submits it. And then here you've got appearance, so you can inherit from your theme, or you've got these other options in here. So I'm just inheriting from my theme. That gives me a few more options, and that's it. And then the other bit you're going to need is this insert shortcode. So that's going to actually put the button into the page or wherever you want that to go. So that's how you can configure Mailchimp for WP. The next thing is to insert that button into one of your pages, and I'm going to show you how to do that with Poodle Page Builder.